You guys, it's been forever since I've done a planner video, and it's long overdue, and it's about damn time that I get one out there. So I have cleared out this baby, and well, for the most part, so that I could do a video and redecorate it. I have been using it faithfully as it is my daily wallet. However, it's just been months since I've redecorated it. So again, I've removed everything and I'm super excited to come on here and do it together. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just do a quick flip through. This is what it looks like when, well, I consider it empty. Just not decorated is what I really mean. But I've cleared the front, I left all of my page markers in here in tab dividers, but basically I just removed all of the fun decor stuff. And I know that I want to use all of these, not all of these today, but these are the clips that I will be going through and decorating my planner with. So many to choose from, but you guys, this is how long it's been. So look at this theme, oh my gosh. And then I pulled out my dangles. So all of these, I'll be using one or two of those. And then obviously a bow because I love bows. And I will be adding my Christmas divider. Yes, I said Christmas in December. In fact, I'm already like half done Christmas shopping and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, that's where we're at. And then obviously all of my little die cuts. So let's just jump right into this. I keep my debit card right here and then I decorate all of this. So I know I want my pink Starbucks and that because those are like my two favorites. The rainbow is so cute too, but I'm gonna start, normally I start with clips, but I found that it's a little bit easier to start with die cuts first because then you can kind of clip around them. So I'm just gonna lay some in here and go from there. Just randomly placing these and we'll see how it turns out. Because as most of you know, I like it super busy. Now I don't know. Okay, I'll start with this and see how that looks when doing it. Okay, so I'm going to start here and see where it takes us once I start placing clips in. But I know I want to use all of these. If they'll fit, you guys. It's always a struggle because I like so much in here. So I'm just gonna start playing with it and see what happens. Maybe I do the girl with pink hair. Have you guys started a planner? I need to know. Do you have a YouTube channel that you do a planner with? I love watching planner videos. I don't get to very often because I'm busy now. If you haven't watched my last updated video, I work at Starbucks now and I freaking love it, you guys. I love it. It's such a fun job to have. But yeah, so you'll have to let me know down below if you have a planner, or if you decorate one, or what, because I have so much fun doing it, as you all know. It's pretty crazy. But it's just a fun little hobby for me. Maybe I switch this in the bow. And it's always a struggle to fit as many clips as I want in here. I think I like her better for the set. Isn't she so cute with bubblegum? And as always, you guys, I will link everything I can down below. One of the shops that I used to buy a lot of clips from, she totally switched her shop, and now she does like tumblers, I think, and cups. So that was very sad. I can't remember if she did dashboards or planner clips, but it was a drastic change. Like, she went from having a whole page of planner items to none, to no planner items, which was very sad. But anyways, I guess you have to do what you love and love what you do, or else it's not fun. So maybe she just needed a change, and maybe she'll come back to it. I don't know. I don't know what the situation is, but it is what it is. But I am liking how this is looking, so that's good. But you guys, basically, I just play with it and play with it, and I don't know how long I've had my planner, but I freaking love it. Love, love, love it. And it's awesome if you are doing a cash budget. Yeah, because it holds everything. I did end up taking out my children's commission envelope because it was just out of control. It was bulky. My kids have decided they like budgeting like once every probably 2 or 3 months, because then they get a boatload of cash instead of each week just getting 20 and having to budget out the $20. So that's been fun. They each get like at least a couple $100 every time we budget, and they freaking love it. So it's pretty stinking cute. But okay, so this is looking cute so far. I need something here. I have a coffee cup. I went to grab my coffee cup, but I guess I'm not going to be grabbing. Oh, maybe the crown. Okay, this is stinking cute. Scooch all of this over. Spread it out a little bit. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty cute. I think I'm happy with it. I think we're gonna go with that. So now I will pick my cover. Oh, I think that's a no-brainer. I'm gonna have to do that one. Here are the rest. I have a ton, you guys. I freaking love this. That one would be super cute too. Or obviously the purple. But I think I'm definitely, I'm gonna go with this one. It's just the vibe I'm feeling. So we're gonna do her. Isn't she so cute? And again, I'll link all of the shops down below, but then I like to put a bow here. So I can either go with pink, the green, or the teal. I'm gonna go with the teal. Yep, so cute. Okay, moving on. I am going to flip this So now I like my little sticky notes here. So the ones I've made, which I can link this video up above as well. Do I go with pink? Nope, I'm gonna go with this one. I don't use these very often, but it's great to have them for when I do need it. And that one is totally, those are dirty from rubbing up against, I don't know. But then I will be updating a new calendar for next year and putting that on my Etsy shop. I'll probably do it for like 99 cents, just super cheap. I don't know, I might even just link it as a freebie, I don't know. But I have to redo that too for next year. So then it goes into my page markers. These are all still available, so I will link her shop down below. And then this is my YouTube planner, which I have not been doing, but I'm going to be starting. I just uploaded a video, and I'm going to be starting off with one a week, so until I manage having my job, still doing everything I need to do at home, and then obviously continuing my YouTube channel. But for notes, I like this section too, just having blank notes there in case I need to jot something down. Maybe I'll change this one for this time. I think I will. I'll switch it for this. That'll be cute. For birthday celebrations, see, I had this here because of the bow, and then when you flip it, it looks like wrapping paper, but I can switch it for this month. This is my birthday celebrations list. Oh, and all of these inserts are listed in my Etsy shop, so I will link that down below too if you're interested in. They're easy to make, it's just time consuming, so you're welcome to just freeze the screen and create your own, or I have little bundles in my Etsy shop that you can purchase and print that are already completed for you. So then I have my groceries list. And then I have my weekly menu, which my husband's been so great since I started working too. He's been cooking and helping, and it's been awesome. So here is where my cash envelope system starts, and I have been doing this. So and I went through last night and, totaled each envelope. So I have $71 left in groceries. Household, I still have 40. Pets, I have 90. In my beauty fund, I have 40. And clothing is 0. I had to get the kids a couple things. And then in gifts, I still have 100. And then my fund money, I still have 20 for the family to use. And then my fund is 0, and that's because I have a Louis Vuitton fund. You guys, and that's gonna be a whole other video because I'm coming up to my 1 year without using a credit card celebration, and that is huge for me. Also, I have a whole thing on what this means and what I'm saving for. So that's that. And then all of these hold my debit cards, health insurance cards, my debit cards for like Target and the Rack, gift cards. They're just covered up with my business cards for filming purposes. But this has been great. And then this is just a little envelope here. I keep a blank check. I keep some stamps, and then my fishing license. I don't know why I'm not going fishing, but it's just a place to have it all. So the other thing I'm going to be adding is, I told you, my Christmas list, which I have already started shopping for. I am super excited. So that will go, I guess, in front somewhere. Groceries, lipstick, it's gonna go behind my weekly menu. And basically, I just put Christmas, listed everybody's names, and I can't flip through these because I've already written it. In fact, by the time I do my next video, I'm gonna have that covered as well. But just so you know, I just use my notebook paper. I can put this here, and I can just stash cash right here. But everything I've done so far has been online. And so it's left in our savings account, and I just transfer it to my debit card while I'm doing that. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in my shopping, my online shopping tracker. And again, I was using one of these, but I've already received everything. I just have a couple more pieces that will be here on Monday. So I just decided to put in a fresh sheet there. The other thing I purchased is this cute little Starbucks clip. Where's my camera? So I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a little metal clip. It's super cute, and I put that on my beauty thing just because it's fun. You can see the indentations where I had it, but I thought I would show you guys. The other thing is I bought a mini Cricut. So I am messing around with it, learning how to make new planner dividers. So that has been interesting and fun. My little Cricut, I love it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think I wanted to use this tab too, so I'm gonna put it where fun is. No, it covers the word. Beauty. Let's see, groceries, household, pets, beauty. Maybe I'll put it on, well, I guess I'll put it on clothing. That'll be cute. And then it's lifted a little bit and not covering the fun. So you guys, there you have it. There it is. I realized my Starbucks one was hanging out too much. But okay, there it is. That's what it looks like full. You guys, I love my planner wallet. It has sold me on Louis Vuitton. It still looks brand new other than all the clip indentions, but it's not scratched. I've even dropped it a few times. I've splashed water on it, and the beauty about this canvas is you just take a damp cloth and mild soap, which I always use Dawn soap for anything like that, and you just wipe it clean. So it's been amazing. So here it is. Here's my planner update. I'll just do a quick flip through again. And I really want to know if you guys have a planner or planner videos. So let me know down below. See, I feel like I could use a dangle here. I didn't use a dangle. See the dangles, how cute they are? I'm gonna use this one because it matches. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna put it right there. That'll be cute. See how cute it is, guys? Okay, so that, and then my celebrations, my groceries. I freaking love this one. You guys, I just love everything in here. My Christmas lists, online shopping tracker, and then my planner. Here's the Starbucks clip I bought. Again, I'm gonna link everything down below. And hopefully the shops I purchased these from still have it. If not, just favorite their shop and just keep checking, or even send them a message. Most people on Etsy are super nice. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I was super excited to get this filmed and out there. Yeah, and I will be doing these each month, hopefully. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.